Tesla Roadster. Tesla Roadster 2023 is the fastest production car ever by adding 2 small rear seats, significantly more driving range, and a much higher level of performance. Tesla CEO Elon Musk boasted about a 1.9-second 60 miles per hour time and a 250 miles per hour top speed. Audi RS7 2023, the 333 km/h fastest sports sedan ever. The Audi RS7 ISA Super Sedan. A 591 horsepower twin-turbocharged V8 bolted to an 8-speed automatic transmission supplies the thrills with the help of standard all-wheel. 1 Performance. Power comes from a brilliant twin-turbo 4.0-litre V8 that pairs with a 48-volt hybrid system, 8-speed automatic transmission, and quattro all-wheel drive. All this tech makes the RS7 heavier than the last generation model, which made as much as 605 horsepower. It reaches 60 miles per hour in 2.8 ticks. The RS7 rides on an air suspension with adaptive settings for varying levels of stiffness. However, it felt refined regardless of the drive mode, even rolling on our testers' 22-inch rims. 21s are standard. 0 to 100 kilometers in 4.4 seconds. It's also rewarding to bend into corners thanks to the poised chassis and the added agility of its standard rear-wheel steering system. Crazy quick and unerringly comfortable are accurate descriptors of its driving personality. It did a quarter mile in 11.3 seconds. Despite not opting for the carbon ceramic brakes, which allow its top speed to be increased from 155 to 190 miles per hour, the standard stoppers hauled our nearly 5,000-pound four-door down from 70 miles per hour in an impressive 151 feet. 2 Technology. Every RS7 is equipped with a snazzy infotainment system that operates via 2 touchscreens that seamlessly blend into the upper dashboard and flowing center console. Unfortunately, the climate controls and other settings that must be manipulated through the lower screen can pull the driver's eyes off of the road. To avoid this distraction, Audi's voice recognition software comes in handy. Along with the robust navigation system that appears in the upper screen, and that can be expanded in the fully digital gauge cluster, the RS7 comes with standard Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot. The top option is a pricey Bang and a Lufsen stereo that pumps 1820 watts through 19 speakers. 3. Interior. The RS model shares an interior design and passenger space with the regular A7. It also has some exclusive details and intriguing options. Of course, the sturdy build quality and upscale materials are immediately recognizable. Still, the RS7's cabin is adorned with trim-specific logos and other unique accents. The standard front sport seats have nice leather upholstery, but can be reskinned with upgraded leather and ventilated cushions. Its back seat can fit 2 or 3 people, depending on the chosen seat configuration, and its cargo area offers 19 cubic feet of space with the rear seats in use and 49 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. 4. Fuel economy. The powerful, albeit thirsty, RS7 is rated 15 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway by the EPA. We ran it on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, and it returned 23 miles per gallon in the real world.